All right, so this question is asking about population density, and that's a big topic for 5.08. And first of all, the population density is going to be the population divided by the area that it's taking up. So this one, notice that it says a biologist is researching the population density of antelopes near a watering hole. The biologist counts 32 antelopes within a radius of 3/4 kilometer of the watering hole. Well, what that means is it's not like 3/4 is the area or anything like that. What it means is that it's a circular area that he's looking at. So if the watering hole is here at the center, he's looking at this circular area that extends out a radius of 3/4 of a kilometer. And if you don't like dealing with fractions, you can always convert that to 0.75 kilometers. So this is a particular area. And the area of this section that he's looking at is pi times the radius squared. So pi times a radius is 3/4 squared, and actually it says to use 3.14 for pi. So we'll actually replace that, 3.14 times 3/4 squared. And so you will put that into your calculator. And you will get 1.76625. And since that's not our final answer, we're going to leave it just like that. So that's the area in square kilometers of the particular area that he's looking at. And so we will take the number of antelopes in that area, which is 32, divided by that area. And that will give us our population density. So 32 divided by 1.76625. And it is 18.117. So we would round that to 18 antelopes per square kilometer. The next one says copper has a density of 8.9 grams per centimeter cubed. A copper necklace has a volume of 396 cubic centimeters. What is the mass of the copper necklace? So remember, density is equal to mass divided by volume. So density is 8.9. We're just plugging in what we know, solving for what we don't. Mass is what we don't know. Volume is 396. Multiply both sides by 396. So 396 times 8.9. And we get 3,524.4 grams for the mass. So that one's pretty straightforward, just plugging it in, remembering this density formula.